In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to add PDF bookmarks and outlines in C# using IronPDF. What's up, guys? Like I said, today we're going to learn how to add PDF bookmarks to your PDF files using IronPDF. Before we start, I've already installed the IronPDF using NuGet Package Manager. So I'm going to be jumping straight into the program.cs file where I've written some code. So the first thing you'll see here is the IronPDF namespace being imported with using IronPDF. This namespace contains all the classes and methods that we'll be using. Then we input the IronPDF license key, and remember to replace your license key with your actual IronPDF license key. All right, so now we're loading our existing PDF document using the from file method, and you should replace the file path with the path to your own PDF file, of course. So now we create our main bookmark titled examination using the bookmarks.add_bookmark_start method. And the 0 after the title indicates the page number where this bookmark will be placed. And then following that, we add child bookmarks for specific dates under the main bookmark. So here under the date, we created a bookmark for the type of test and further bookmarks for individual A and individual B who took the test on date 1. The process is then repeated for the second date. We add bookmarks for the date, the type of the test, and the individuals who took the test on that date. And then finally, we save our newly bookmarked PDF to a file named multilayerbookmarks.pdf. All right, so let's go ahead and run the project. And the program has been executed, and let's see what our output PDF looks like. All right, so here you can see the multi-layered bookmarks we've created, and you can now click on any bookmark to be taken directly to the page. And this will come in handy when you have large and complex PDFs to deal with. So there you go. That's how you add bookmarks to your PDF using IronPDF. All right, we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. As always, do not forget to subscribe if you like some more tips and tricks from Iron Software. And if you'd like to try out the software and experience the power of it for yourself, click on the link in the description below. Check it out.